It's him and I.
What's going on,
Aquaman
YouTube?
I.
This is Marcos with Equipment Eye Pressure Washer, and I'm back again with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I load up my truck when I go to a job. I don't have a trailer, so this is what you would have to do if you don't have a trailer. All right, this is my truck, Ford F-150, and I have a bed cover on it now. So this is gonna be my first time loading it with a bed cover. I'm just gonna open it up halfway. Okay, all right, first thing I'm gonna load in the truck are my chemicals and my gasoline. It's real quick. I have my gas can, I have my 12% SH, I have my mixing container, I have my soaps. Okay, one thing you wanna make sure that you do, make sure all the lids are on your soap, gas, anything, because when you're driving, you could tip over and all the stuff will be all over the bed. All right, next thing. Okay, have my boots, have my pump sprayer. This is my tools that I need just in case I have any problem with the machine. This right here is my little kit. Keep extra hoses, also my X-Jet in here, WD-40 for lubrication, files, just different things that I probably need. Also in here, I have pressure washer pump oil just in case, because I do have a pump that's on my pressure washer. Okay, here, this is my other connections. Have my J-rod right here. Have all my O-rings, just in case I have a leak in my hose around the connectors, I can replace them. Make sure that I have a pick, because if I have to change one of the O-rings out. I have spare connectors here, just in case something goes bad. Couple of quick connects. That's pretty much it. So slide this on. Okay, that right there, that should give you all your little stuff that you need. Now we're gonna load the main stuff up. Okay, this is my pressure washer, 4 gallons minute machine. Basically, it's belt drive. I'm gonna load this up. This is 120 pounds. So if you don't have a trailer, you're gonna have to take this off and on. I think at this job, what I'm getting to, I don't have to unload it because I should be able to back up to the area that I can pressure wash the whole deck, because I'm doing a deck on this. I'm doing a deck on this wash. So this should go pretty quickly. Hopefully, just have to load and unload it one time. So I'm gonna find a good spot to grab this. Usually I grab by the handle in the front and the back. Flipping my legs. And we're on. Okay, that's the work part of loading up. Is getting that pressure wash on. So now let's get the rest of the stuff. That right there is my 100-foot hose for my wand and surface cleaner. So let's get the water hose next. All right, that's my water hose. Keep in mind, when you're loading up from home, your hoses don't have any water in it, so when you're loading from a job, you have to drain all the water out the hose, or it's going to be a mess. Hose is going to be heavier, you're going to have water all over your clothes. So keep that in mind. You have to drain your hoses when you reload coming back. All right, next thing. One. Surface clean. Okay, basically this is all you would need when you're loading up your vehicle for your job without a trailer. If you have a trailer, the only thing you need to do is just basically hook up to the trailer and take off. So that's the advantage of a trailer, but if you don't have space for it or don't have the money for it yet, this is what you will have to go through loading up your vehicle. Now, before I take off, I make sure that I have gloves, water, snacks, anything like that, because if you're going to a job you're not going to leave, make sure that you have all that stuff ready for you. And the next thing that you need to do is make sure that you have the right chemicals that you're going to need for your job and stuff like that. Sometimes you may not want to carry all your chemicals because you're limited for space, just like I am. Okay, that is how you load your truck up when you don't have a trailer. So I'm gonna do a walkthrough to make sure that I have all my tools that I need and make sure that I'm not forgetting anything, because it's the worst thing to get to a job site and not have everything you need. You probably have to go to the store and buy something which you don't need to buy, or you probably have to come back to your home and grab whatever you forgot. So do a walkthrough, make sure that you have everything. And like I said, if you have a trailer, you can have everything loaded on the trailer. You'll never forget anything because it's on the trailer already. I just did my walkthrough. I did forget something. We got my broom and my brushes. You need your brushes just in case you have some stubborn parts. And the broom just in case you need to sweep up something. Okay, the other things that you may need that I'm not taking because I know I don't need it, it's a ladder. Make sure you take your ladder just in case you need to get up some areas that's high up that you cannot reach from the ground, because I do all my pressure washing from the ground. The other thing that you need would be a leaf blower. If you have like a lot of leaves or something, if you're doing some kind of surface cleaning, you may have leaves everywhere. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video, but you need to check out this video right here where I show you how to mix your chemicals. This is Marcos from Kumina Pressure Washing, and I see you there. Peace out.